Want to stay informed by certain apps even when Do Not Disturb is on your Samsung phone? This happens because Do Not Disturb blocks most notifications to keep interruptions away, but you can allow important apps through. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to let selected app notifications come through while Do Not Disturb is enabled. So without further delay, let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Notifications, scroll down again. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down once again, and then tap App Notifications. Tap on Add Apps. Now choose the important app you want to allow during Do Not Disturb. Like I'm going to choose Gmail, then tap Done from the bottom. And that's it. Alright everyone, that's how you allow selected app notifications while Do Not Disturb is enabled on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.